Welcome back. With the start of the new year, many of my friends and clients have been asking me about eating clean and cleaning up their diet and just some tips of eating healthier in general. Um, Perfect segue to there's a book that I've been following for over 20 years called Eating for Life. It's written by Bill Phillips. And the idea, it's an anti-diet message, emphasis of food is your friend and not your enemy. And it's got over 150 recipes. It talks about everything from what to use to cook to portion control. One interesting fact they talk about in here is a lot of people intend to eat healthy, but they don't control their portions. Did you know that the size of a portion of meat or protein that you should be consuming is the size of your heel or a fist? Good rule of thumb to have when you're out and about. And this book is really good with giving pictures and color illustrations of the recipes and pictures of what the items look like in the store. So if you're like me, you're not just willy-nilly trying to figure out how or what these products look like. You got a picture to go off of and an after picture of what the food's supposed to look like. Some of my favorite recipes include Cajun chicken, which is on page 191, and a breakfast burrito, which is on page 247. Breakfast burrito. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. And a chicken and pear salad, which is on page 275. 275. I wonder if you're getting hungry seeing these pictures. And a pina colada, which is on page 316. Yeah, this is the non-alcoholic version, and there's protein powder in there, but I've made this before, and you would not know there's protein in there. It tastes so good. Again, really like it because you got your pictures of what the items look like in the store and what it should look like when you're done cooking it. And it's just good because it gives you a step-by-step process, and he explains the science of what to do with fact versus fiction, question answer stuff. Most importantly, there's a lot of real world applications about inspiring stories. We'll go to page 350. Inspiring stories. These people actually use the book to see their results. This is David and Maria. So if you're looking to try and clean up your diet a little bit in a simple way and not having to overthink it, this book is great. You're gonna see the link below if you wanna buy this book, or if you wanna buy it for a friend or family member that's trying to do the same kind of journey. You definitely will not be disappointed. I've been following this author for over 20 years, and really, really smart guy. Thank you very much, and like and subscribe.